Hi everybody, welcome. It is day 17 of our annual Treasure Trovember Mixed Media Collage Challenge. I'm Kelly and we are more than halfway to the end of this great challenge in 2025. If you're just finding my channel, number one, subscribe. Number two, go watch the welcome video. I will link it below so you know what this challenge is all about. Real easy to catch up. Videos are about 2 minutes each day. So let's get on with it. Today, day 17, the prompt is to add 3 triangles. You can cut them, you can draw them, you can paint them. Add 3 triangles to your collage today. And I will see you back here tomorrow for day 18.